RGB fall out.
I know.
Keep that elastic cut.
I have to shove them back in.
And look at this, Lindsay.
What?
He can film himself
I know. I forgot.
or us. I forget what you call it.
This
Look how many she has.
is a blastocyst. Watch it as it grows into an embryo. Are you paying attention? Focus. Focus. This is the duroplasma lysocyst.
Andrew,
Did you get that?
What's that word you and George use?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Make sure you write that down in your little journal, okay?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Oh yeah.
Reticulum.
Did you say that?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
When did she
Endoplasmic
put stuff on her lips? I didn't see
reticulum.
that.
Right after dinner.